Learn English Online at Base Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Get plus a preposition.
When get is followed by a preposition, it makes a phrasal verb, and usually some kind of movement is implied with several meanings.
My mom is 93 years old. She still gets about by herself as she were half that age.
In this sentence, get about means to move around.
Would you mind getting off my seat, please?
The meaning here is to remove from my seat. In other ways, get off the bus, for example, it means to leave the bus. It's the opposite of get on.
Stop chatting on the phone and get on with your homework.
To get on with something, it means to continue. But to get on with somebody, it means to be friends.
If Gail gets back early, she'll help us to record the video.
To get back also implies an act of movement.
I usually get up early to be on time at my office.
It means to arise in the morning from bed.
We can conclude that the use of get with a preposition always expresses a movement.
Right. You have just to get along with prepositions and you can understand any phrasal verb with get.
It hasn't fallen in the deep here. Let's get on with the next video.